Good morning, students. Welcome to Adarsh and Ideal School Institution online class. Class 7, Subject Science. Today we are going to see a new topic. From the picture, can you able to identify the name of the topic? With the help of picture, can you able to guess the topic? Yes, the name of the topic is stability. Stability is a measure of body's ability to maintain its original position. You have to remember this definition. Once again, I'll repeat the definition. Stability is a measure of body's ability to maintain its original position. Now, we are going to see three different states of equilibrium. Stable equilibrium, unstable equilibrium, and neutral equilibrium. So, in the first one, in case of stable equilibrium, you can able to observe, see this picture carefully. Here, this will be the center of gravity point for this cone. And this will be the unstable equilibrium, while this is the neutral equilibrium. In this one, in the case of unstable equilibrium, it will become topple. So, it can able to lie either here or over this side. Likewise, it is also some other example for the stable equilibrium, unstable equilibrium, and neutral equilibrium. First, let us see what is meant by stable equilibrium. You can observe this frustum, or you can see this cone shaped picture here. And for this picture or for this cone, center of gravity point lies over here. So, what do you mean by center of gravity? Center of gravity is the point through which entire weight of the object appears to act. I will repeat it once again. Center of gravity is the point through which entire weight of the object appears to act. So, in case of stable equilibrium, this center of gravity point will be raised when it is displaced. And this vertical line, this will be the vertical line. And this vertical line through its center of gravity still falls within its base only. The vertical line will fall within its base area only for a stable equilibrium. So, it can again return back to its original position. When the cone is displaced, this cone or this frustum can able to come back to its original position in case of stable equilibrium. Now, let us see the unstable equilibrium. In case of unstable equilibrium, the frustum will topple with the slightest tilting. Its center of gravity is lowered when it is displaced. This point will be the CG point for this frustum. And this CG point will becomes lowered. It will come to this position when it is displaced or when it is tilted. The vertical line through its center of gravity falls outside its base only. Here, this will be the vertical line for this frustum, and this vertical line will fall outside of its base. This will be the base area for this frustum, and this vertical line will fall outside of the base area. This will be happening in case of unstable equilibrium. Now, we are going to see neutral equilibrium. In case of neutral equilibrium, it causes the frustum to topple. The frustum will roll, but it does not topple. Its center of gravity remains the same height when it is displaced. In case of neutral equilibrium, the center of gravity or the CG point will not vary. It will remain as such only. The body will stay in any position to which it has been displaced. Now we shall see conditions for stability. When you want to become or when you want to make any object to become stable, you have to lower its center of gravity point. Its center of gravity point should be lowered. Its CG point should be lowered, and we have to increase the base area also. A heavy base lowers at the center of gravity, so the object does not tip over. Now we shall see in case of Tanjore doll. I think you all love to have the Tanjore doll in your home. It's a type of traditional Indian toy only. The center of gravity and the total weight of the doll is concentrated at the bottom layer, generating a dance-like continuous movement with slow oscillation. And in case of Tanjore doll, it is observing or it is working upon the principle of stability only. Now we shall have a small recap of our session. Today we have seen what is meant by stability and the three states of equilibrium. Stability is defined as the measure of body's ability to maintain its original position, and the three states of equilibrium are stable, unstable and neutral equilibrium. Thank you.